PMP, kahit sino daw ba pwedeng mag-take nun? Mabuti pa, I'll just show you. Project Management Institute is a certification na globally recognized. Ibig sabihin, kahit saan sa mundo, ito ang certification na kailangan mo. So, ganyan ang itsura ng website. Tapos, kung gusto nyo lang magbasa-basa, this is what you need. The PMBOK ang tawag dyan. PMBOK Guide or PMI Global Standards publications para sa mga gustong basa-basa lang and all that. At kaya nang sabi ko kanina, dahil dati na akong project manager, gusto ko lang magkaroon ng certification. Ito ang kinuha ko. Pinindot ko, exam prep. Tapos, para malaman mo kung eligible ka, you go under certifications, go project management professional, PMP. Tapos, lilitaw yan. And then, you scroll down. Hanggang dito. So, dito, ayan. So, before you apply, make sure you meet the following sets of PMP. Set A, either dito ka, or dito ka. Ako, ano ba yung ginawa ko? I think I am here, under here. So, I have a bachelor's degree. I have 3 years experience leading as a project manager. And then, I need at least 35 hours of project management education training. So, ang ginawa ko na lang, kumuha ako ng exam prep ito. Total, kailangan ko rin naman PMI Authorized On-Demand PMP Exam Prep. Meaning, magbibigay sila ng mga short talks, ganon, at courses, and then, to get you ready. Para magkaroon ka para makapag-take ka ng exam. Medyo may kamahalan siya. If you're a member, you pay this. If hindi ka member, you pay that. But in my case, binayaran kasi ng company namin. So, it wasn't a big deal para sa akin, expense-wise. And then, of course, if you decide to take the route that I did, I will show you yung website na kung paano ang itsura ng classes. So, ganito lang sila, guys. They have 5 modules. Tapos, yung pinaka-last is a practice exam and further reading. Tapos, may mga time na it reads to you, like this one.
Are you ready to learn about and practice this task? Get started by reading the task overview.
Ganon. Tapos, babasahin mo yon. And then, after this one, you hit next, and then they have short quizzes in between na kailangan mong ipasa. It's a short quiz. It doesn't mean na babagsak ka or anything because it's an exam prep nga. Napakita lang nila sa'yo kung ano ang mga ini-expect mong questionnaires or questions sa darating mong exam. Just to warn you, it's very time consuming. Pero I think it's worth it naman. I hope that helps. Good luck sa'yo. And yes, I know someone who is a civil engineer at kumuha siya ng PMP. Thank you for following. Thank you for watching. Have a beautiful day.